I have figured out Valentine's Day for you. It's not flowers, it's not candy. It is, well, I think you should get him. I think you should get my husband for Valentine's Day. Now, granted, this is what he's usually doing. This is about as exciting as it gets. He's at his laptop at our very messy dining room table. But when he's not doing that, when he's not doing his little nerd thing over there, as you know, he is creating these incredible experiences for us around the world as MilesHusband. For 50 bucks, 50 bucks is what people might spend on flowers or candy. For 50 bucks, what can MilesHusband offer?
So for 50 bucks, I'll take a look at your current portfolio of credit cards and recommend a nip here, a tuck there, what you can do to maximize the miles using the credit cards you love, or maybe even replacing one of those cards with something that's going to give you a lot more miles with a lot less spend.
Which is kind of the whole idea of how we have our financial life structured. Money you're going to spend anyway, bringing you the most amount of miles in.
Right.
But
another option for that 50 bucks is to take a look at your current portfolio of loyalty points and let you know with what you already have, what you can do with yourself or your family in terms of a trip. Luxury trip, middle of the road trip, economy trip. Use the points you already have because those points get less value over time as award programs change and erode them. So using those miles now is much better than using them later. So those are the two options I have for your Valentine's Day.
Which I think sounds awesome. Experiences instead of stuff. So if you want to get in on this, 50 bucks, which is such a better spend than flowers or candy, 50 bucks with MilesHusband. Just go to mileshusband@gmail.com and say, MilesHusband, I want you for Valentine's Day. It's so nice to share you and make other adventures around the world for other people.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Happy Valentine's Day. Well, we're being real, that's why. So I'm suggesting to people that, where are you going? You left. This is what it's like. It's not easy to herd MilesHusband. Come back.
Oh, great.
Yeah. So for the same price,
what
we're sharing you.
Oh.
And this brilliant brain of yours, it's like a little computer up here. 50 bucks. That's
I'm
what
not
people.
your puppy.
No, you're my MilesHusband.
I might want to switch that out. It was very puppy-like.
That wasn't puppy.
It was very puppy, yes. Very, very puppy-like.
The puppy gets more love.